What's up everybody, good morning, house tricks, welcome to Nairobi, Kenya. Habari, we are going on safari. Today, we're going to Maasai Mara. It is 6:30. So we are excited, yes?
Yes.
I'm going to get a picture of a lion.
Wow.
Face up here. We have to take it at speed, lads! We need to make time! Woo!
Calm the fuck down. We'll fucking break the car, we won't even get there.
So you just said it's going to be 6 hours. Yes. Well, it's the best Rift Valley I've ever seen. So our driver, he did say
The migration.
yeah, he said the migration of the wildebeest is happening at the minute. What picture did they want? I wanted a crocodile chomping on a wildebeest crossing the river.
You could probably call this the Great Vlog.
The Great Vlog.
With the Great Rift Valley.
With the Great in
and the Great Migration.
They had apple juice.
Yeah, in little wine things.
In the wine glasses, and they had a wet cloth to wipe the sweat off your ass. Okay, what do you think?
I think it's unreal.
Isn't it class?
Can't wait to get into the gym and see what it's like.
Yeah, you see the.
I'm 12, so I'm probably up here a bit more.
What's your name?
Maasai.
Maasai.
Yeah.
Maasai. The Maasai.
Yeah.
Maasai from the Maasai.
Oh wow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, look at that. Oh, that's
Oh, yeah.
brilliant. Thank you, sir.
Holy fuck. Oh my god, this is wicked.
Oh my guys.
Joseph, the driver, was saying he's worked here for 33.
3 years.
So it will be him that's bringing us out. And he says it's a good time to come. He said there's guaranteed leopards. He said you probably see leopards?
No, not
No,
leopards.
they're
Not
very
leopards.
good.
Oh, cheetahs, yeah.
Cheetahs and lions.
Cheetahs and lions. He says at this time of year when they're following the migration, it's quite predictable to know where they're going. Which is good for the photographers. And he said there's crocodiles around. I want to see a crocodile crush the head of a little baby.
Next, give me.
No, sorry.
So, in the excitement I realised I have my top on back to front. They're not, open it? What's it like? What's it smell like?
Don't face me. I don't know.
They're nice.
It's kind of plain, I think.
Just plain enough. That
It's
doesn't
like
have taste.
really, really watery.
Doesn't have taste at all.
Top.
Here we go.
Hi guys, this is the vlog takeover. There's Jack.
I'm the real YouTuber here.
I'm the new tuber. Except I'm not new tubing yet. I'm just
He's just newbin.
I'm just chilling, just waiting for a mate, I'm not gonna lie. There's Kate. Say hello, Kate. Just set off.
We have 2.5 million wildebeests,
Wow.
and they give birth to almost 1 million young ones.
Joseph tells us, he heard over the radio that there was lions.
A tree back to the almost to the bush. That
You see it?
shade.
Just across there, is it?
You see?
Oh yeah.
How do you see that?
That's a good spot.
Thank you.
Oh Jesus, they just look like blobs of grass.
They're lions, guys.
But all the same,
Massive, isn't they?
it's a male and a female. They're mating. They're mating.
So we have these are two lions, a male and a female, asleep in the ditch. We were in Zambia, we went on a safari.
Yeah. Oh wow.
The only thing we didn't see was a lion.
Yeah, look, I was saying that.
Fox, is it?
More elephants. Jesus, I love Africa. There's sunshine.
I just hope we see giraffes tomorrow, then I'll be happy. Or maybe a cheetah leopard. Well, more close. It's not ahead of one.
Straight. It was nice, especially.
She just said.
Oh my god, yay, thank you Jesus, he was listening. Right. Oh, my settings are all changed now.
They hard to beat today.
Oh,
It was so good.
It's so good.
the day was good.
Yeah, but thank you.
That was sick.
It was fairly sick, man, to be fair.
That was unbelievable! Day one on the Serengeti was pretty good. We saw
Giraffe, hyena, waterbuck,
waterbuck, ostrich,
leon, buffalo,
buffalo, baboon,
warthog,
a warthog,
Thompson gazelle,
Tommy,
tawny
Tony
eagle,
eagle,
vultures,
and we saw vultures as well.
and we not only sea lions, we saw them happen.
Sea lions.
No, not only did we see lions.
Where the fuck did you see? Where did you see a sea lion? Okay, so we were just up after the dinner. I spotted a bottle of Guinness. Now, I don't know about you, but I've never seen a bottle of Guinness before. I didn't even know they existed, apart from in Ireland in 12 AD. I had to get it, and I'll probably bring the bottle home and I'll frame it beside my pictures of the lions canoodling. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. It was lekker. Sick day. So many animals. To be fair, it'll be hard to beat. But we'll give it a good go. Good night, William.
Good night, Joe.
Good night, Joe.
Good night, Joe. I don't know, what should I say?
I don't know.
Quite hairy.
Quite hairy.
Quite hairy.
Much love, keep the faith. I'll chat to you guys tomorrow.